T-Mobile's Account Hub is a central platform for managing your account, but errors like login failures, permission issues, and browser cache problems can occur. These affect 5 to 10% of users monthly, with login issues being the most common. Recent platform updates have addressed many of these issues. Fixes are usually straightforward, such as clearing cache or updating the app. If you encounter a login error, ensure you are using the latest app version and that two-factor authentication is enabled. Permission issues can be resolved by checking your app settings to ensure Account Hub has access to necessary permissions like location and storage. Browser cache problems, common for web portal users, can be fixed by clearing your browser's cache or using incognito mode. Persistent issues may require app updates or contacting T-Mobile support. For effective troubleshooting, always start with basic steps. Check your network connection, update the Account Hub app, and clear your browser cache. If problems persist, T-Mobile's AI chatbots can diagnose issues in real time, often resolving them without human intervention. Trends show a shift toward mobile-first troubleshooting, with most users preferring the app over the web portal. Looking ahead, expect zero-trust security models and increased AI integration for automatic error resolution. Keep your app updated, use T-Mobile's VPN for secure access, and consider using the native app instead of the web portal to minimize browser-related issues. If all else fails, don't hesitate to contact T-Mobile support for assistance.